Hello and welcome. In this session, we're diving into Git for enterprise teams, focusing on how to scale Git for large organizations. Let's get started by understanding the challenges and strategies involved. Scaling Git in an enterprise environment introduces a unique set of challenges. From a technical perspective, you'll encounter issues like repository size, history management, handling binary assets in large files, continuous integration and continuous delivery pipeline integration at scale, performance with distributed teams, and resolving merge conflicts in complex code bases. Organizationally, it's about standardizing workflows across teams, managing access control and permissions, facilitating knowledge sharing and onboarding, adhering to compliance and audit requirements, and balancing team autonomy with overall governance. Gitflow offers a structured approach to manage code changes, particularly beneficial for enterprise environments. The core branch structure includes the main branch, which holds production-ready code, release branches, used for preparing release candidates, the develop branch, serving as the integration area for features, feature branches, where new functionalities are developed in isolation, and hotfix branches, for addressing critical issues in production. Gitflow promotes clear separation of concerns, allowing teams to work in parallel while maintaining stable production code. Enterprise adaptations often involve additional validation branches and automated gates between environments to ensure quality and compliance. Monorepos, which consolidate multiple projects into a single repository, require specific configurations to optimize Git's performance. To optimize Git for large repositories, set the core compression to 9, pack window memory to 256 megabytes, and pack threads to 4. Partial clones can significantly reduce initial download sizes by using the command git clone, with the filter equals blob:"none and repository link. Sparse checkouts allow developers to focus on specific directories, using the command git sparse checkout set, followed by the desired paths. Best practices for monorepos include utilizing partial clones, implementing sparse checkouts, configuring Git large file storage for binary assets, setting up branch protection rules for critical paths, establishing code owners for component ownership, and automating dependency management across projects. Git hooks enable the automation of quality gates, ensuring code meets certain standards before being committed or pushed. A pre-commit hook for code formatting might use Prettier to automatically format JavaScript, JSX, TypeScript, and TSX files. The script first checks if Prettier is installed, and if not, it exits with an error. A pre-push hook for security scanning could employ SNYK to test for vulnerabilities before code is pushed. Similar to the pre-commit hook, it verifies if SNYK is installed and exits if it's not found. These hooks are essential for maintaining code quality and security in an enterprise environment. Implementing robust branch protection and governance policies is crucial for enterprise Git management. These policies include requiring a minimum of 2 reviewers for critical branches, enforcing signed commits for all production code, implementing status checks for continuous integration and continuous delivery pipelines, restricting force pushes on protected branches, requiring a linear history for cleaner auditing, and setting up code owners for automatic reviewer assignment. A branch protection configuration file, such as .github/branchprotection.yml, can automate these policies. This file specifies rules like enforcing administrator privileges, requiring signed commits, defining required status checks such as security or SNYK, and continuous integration or Jenkins, and setting the number of required approving reviews. Managing binary assets efficiently in enterprise repositories is made easier with Git large file storage. To initialize Git large file storage in a repository, use the command Git LFS install. Track specific file types like Photoshop documents, zip files, and PNG images in assets directories using Git LFS track. Then, add .git attributes to the repository using git add.git attributes. The benefits of using Git large file storage include reducing repository size by storing binary files externally, improving clone and fetch performance for developers, enabling versioning of large files without bloating Git history, supporting bandwidth-efficient transfers with file pointers, and seamless integration with continuous integration and continuous delivery pipelines for asset management. Continuous integration and continuous delivery integration with Git enables robust enterprise automation strategies. These include implementing branch-based deployments to different environments, enforcing quality gates with automated testing, setting up release automation with semantic versioning, configuring auto-merging for dependency updates, establishing compliance checks for regulated industries, and creating deployment approval workflows. A GitHub Actions workflow example such as .github/workflows/enterpriseci.yml can automate these processes. This file defines when the workflow runs, such as on push or pull request, and includes jobs like validating code and running security scans using SNYK test. Measuring the effectiveness of Git workflows in an enterprise involves tracking key performance indicators. These metrics include lead time, which is the time from commit to production deployment, merge frequency, or the number of successful merges to main branches, build success rate, representing the percentage of successful continuous integration and continuous delivery pipeline runs, defect escape rate, which is issues found in production versus development, collaboration index, showing cross-team contributions and code reviews, and repository health, covering size, performance, and maintenance. Metrics. Tracking these metrics over time helps identify bottlenecks and improvement opportunities in your Git workflows. In summary, key practices for enterprise Git involve implementing standardized workflows across teams, establishing governance policies with branch protection, optimizing for large repositories with Git large file storage and sparse checkouts, automating quality gates with Git hooks and continuous integration and continuous delivery, measuring and improving Git effectiveness with key performance indicators, and investing in team training and documentation. Additional resources for further learning include materials on Git at Scale from Microsoft, GitHub Enterprise, GitLab Flow, and Dora Metrics for DevOps research and assessment. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.